this, I can now confirm that you are very environment